Hi there, I'm Pam Carr from Caraway Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. I've got the others up on my website, but I haven't got the half double crochet up yet, so I thought I would do it for you today. So I start out, of course, showing you how to do the slip knot. We go round twice. This is my slip knot. Everybody does it differently. 1 over, 2 over. Then you take your hook and you put it through there and you pull it tight, and that is your slip knot. Okay, now to do the double crochet, I'm going to just chain. I think I'll do 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now all you do for a half double crochet is you have to put the yarn over. You put it in, usually it's into the second, 1, 2, the second chain from the hook. And you wrap your yarn over, and I always twist my hook to bring it through 1, put the yarn over again, and then you pull it through all 3. And that is a half double crochet. It's pretty simple, okay? So instead of like a single crochet, you would go straight in. You don't do that. You wrap it over first, then you go straight in to the next one. You wrap your yarn over the hook and pull it through. You wrap your yarn over the hook and you pull it through all 3. So that is a half double crochet. Okay, it's very simple. Yarn over, through the next chain, yarn over and pull it through. Then yarn over again and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. Okay. So we're going to go down the row. This just makes a sort of a tighter textile that you end up with after you've done all of these half double crochets. I'm going to go to the end of the row and I'll show you how to start your first row into a half double crochet. So once you get to the end of your double crochet row, this is what it looks like. You chain 1, or you can chain 2 depending on what your preference is. Sometimes it'll tell you in your pattern, okay? So I'm just going to chain up 1, and then often in your pattern it will say turn. What that means is you just flip it over like this, and now you're starting to work down the row this way, okay? So often people don't know which stitch to go into, okay? So here we are going to be going into the first stitch here, okay? So we're going to go into there. So yarn over into that first stitch, and make sure when you go into that stitch that you can see there's 2 at the top. See that? There's 2 there. And we put the yarn over, we pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through all 3. Now why I say that is because sometimes you'll be told to half double crochet into the back loop only, and if you put your yarn over to do that, you would look and see you've got a little V there. You would go into that back of the V. Sometimes it says front loop and you would go into the front and just have 1 strand. But when you're doing a regular one, you go through this hole, and if you look, you've got both of the V strands on your hook, okay? So you pull it through and then you pull it through all 3. Yarn over, just making sure I'm on camera, into that next stitch, pull through all 3. Yarn over, into the next stitch, there it is, yarn over, and you get into quite a little thing. You'll see that I tend to, rather than do a regular yarn over thing, I tend to use my hook and sort of sweep my hook underneath to pull it up. That's just my personal style. Okay, everybody gets their own personal style after a while. So this is a half double crochet. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this and other tutorials that I have. And if you push the little bell, you'll get notifications of when I have new videos coming. Thank you so much. And if you'd subscribe, that would be great. I'd love that. And hit the like button. Thank you so much.